Hi everybody, this is Jennifer with the JennScents Aromaversity and welcome to our Aromatherapy Cafe. Today's 1-minute scent break, we are going to be using 3 essential oils. So if you have them, go ahead and grab them. We have Ylang Ylang, we have Fennel, and Yuzu. And you might be thinking, that's a strange combination. How is that going to smell? Let me just tell you, it smells very yummy. Ylang Ylang, and I did the freestyle blending, and so sometimes I pick on purpose and sometimes I will do a freestyle picking method. So I'll just close my eyes or I'll open my aromatherapy drawers back here, and whatever I grab, that's what we're using. And so that's what I did today. So for these 3, Ylang Ylang is very beautiful, it's very floral, it's a heavy floral. Fennel is got, a licorice scent to it, but it's heavy, it's balsamic, it's thick. So we have a kind of a heavy floral and then a heavy spice. And then I'm adding yuzu because I felt like we needed a fruit to balance this out. And yuzu is very adaptogenic. It helps you work through anxiety. It's going to help you feel connected to yourself. It's going to help you connect to your inner strength. And anytime you do the freestyle blending, you can always grab my comprehensive book. And then if you're like, I wonder what that particular oil does. Like if we come in here and we look up yuzu, you've got the physical aspects that's going to help, the mental and the emotional. So we can see that yuzu helps to connect to inner strength. It helps you feel nurtured, helps you work through forgiveness, and just really tapping into that inner strength that you have. Fennel also encourages emotional strength, especially to help you to thrive and to be resilient. So we need emotional resilience, mental resilience to work through, any issues that, are at hand, any situations, health pandemics that we're going through. But fennel is also wonderful for the gut, and we know that we hold the emotion of worry in the gut. So we already know that fennel is going to be a great one for worry. And then Ylang Ylang, it's beautiful. It's very heart nourishing. So to help you work through feelings of love, jealousy, resentment, just really helps you to feel, really good. And then again, you can always come in here and grab your book. And so we can see it's good for anger, for bitterness, encourages self-acceptance. If you're going to be loving and have a loving relationship, it has to start with yourself. So we are going to combine these. So Ylang Ylang and Fennel, I said, are pretty much 2 heavy oils. They can hold their own. So if we were to do 2 drops of each, 2 drops Ylang Ylang, 2 drops of Fennel, the yuzu, we're going to need about 4 to 5 drops to be on the same playing field, or else the yuzu is just going to get lost. So we're going to look at scent. So when you smell them, we can see heavy floral, heavy spice, and then, it's a hardier fruit that we're using, but we still need to double up on that. So I would say start with 4 drops of yuzu, 2 drops fennel, 2 drops Ylang Ylang. See how that smells to you. It smells just yummy and syrupy and just very nurturing to me. But if you need to, you can add a couple extra drops and maybe a total of 6 drops of yuzu. But you make sure it's in a well-ventilated area. If there's a lot of animals around, give them room to roam. Make sure that they have some ventilation and breathing room, that it's not in a closed area or, a small working area with the door closed. It needs to be open. So enjoy that beautiful scent. It's just something new, something unique. And I just wanted to bring you a little bit of nurturing from our Aromatherapy Cafe into your home or wherever that you're at. So happy blending, everybody. Happy diffusing. And we will see you next time at our next scent break.